Part 24 Types of Bank Accounts. First, we can check the meaning of bank. As per the Indian Banking Act, a service to accept deposit from people with the intention to invest or lend with the condition of returning it immediately whenever demand at any predetermined time. An institute providing this service is bank. While analyzing definition of bank as per Indian Banking Act, below mentioned matters are clarified. Bank accept monetary deposit from people. The intention behind accepting this deposit is to invest or lend the respective fund. The function of accepting deposit or lending money is made under the condition that on demand or as predetermined, otherwise the same amount has to be refunded immediately. Types of bank accounts. One of the functions of bank is to accept deposits. The bank demands KYC or know your customer from the customer at the time of opening a new account or for other services of the bank. This is as per the rules of the central bank. When you going to opening a account in bank, that time bank officers will ask to you which type of account you need as per your requirement. Various type of account facility and additional facility also available in India. Mainly bank accounts are classified into four types. They are saving account, current account, recurring account, and a fixed deposit account. And first one, saving account. What is saving account? Saving account is meant for saving purpose. Any individual, either single or jointly, can open a saving account. Most of the salarized persons, pensioners, and students use saving account. The advantage of having saving account is bank pay interest for the saving. The savings account holder is allowed to withdraw money from the account as and when required. The rate of interest ranges between 4 to 6 percentage per annum in India. There is no restriction on the number and account of deposits, but withdrawals are subjected to certain restrictions. Some banks recommended to maintain a minimum amount to keeping it functioning. That is minimum balance, and some of the bank providing minimum 5 free service of withdrawing. Some bank giving some additional service also. Saving account means it means the account in which people deposit their saving. A fixed rate of interest is paid in this account. The customer gets interest as per the amount and days for which the amount remains credited in the account. The bank provides facilities like checkbook, ATM card in this account. The account holder can deposit a check, draft, and cash in his account. He can withdraw the amount through a check or a withdrawal slip. The bank compel the account holder to maintain minimum balance in his account. Generally, the numbers of withdrawal in a saving account are limited in a month. This account can be opened in the name of an individual or more than one name that can be operated jointly. Nomination can be registered. Bank get deposits on a larger scale through this account. Saving account mainly opening for saving purpose, especially the salarized person and pensioners have the benefit of saving accounts. Students also can open saving account, and a bank will provide a minimum interest rate as per the month and as per the amount deposited and for a given time period. The account holder will get the facility of ATM, checkbook, etc. And a debit card, credit card facility also now. The account holder can deposit check, draft, and cash in his account. withdraw amount through a check or withdrawal slip or through ATMs. The banks compel the account holder to keep a minimum balance in his account, and some bank giving zero balance saving account also too, especially for students and salarized persons. Generally, the number of withdrawal in a saving account are limited in a month. Most of the banks providing 5 free services withdrawal through ATM counters. The account can be opened in the name of an individual or by joint account also. The account holder can nominate other person's name after him. This amount will give it to that nominated there. Banks get a deposit on a large scale through these accounts. Second type of account provided by bank is current account. This account can be opened with the name of an individual or a business unit. Normally, no interest is provided in this account, but the bank may collect bank charges. Facilitates of loan can be provided on this account. There is no limitation in terms of the number of transactions in a month in this account. Generally, a businessman open this account. Current account is mainly for business persons, firms, companies, public enterprises, etc., and are never used for the purpose of investment or savings. These deposits are the most liquid deposits, and there are no limits for number of transactions or the amount of transaction in a day or in a month. While there is no interest paid on amount held in the account, banks charges certain service charges on such account. Current account do not have any fixed maturity as these are on continuous basis account. Through this account, the account holder can use for his daily purpose. Most of the time, it is for the business purpose, and no interest is provided for this account. But the account holder can collect and deposit money. There is no limitation for a withdrawal and a depositing of amount. And this account holder have facilities of loan can be provided on this account, and it is most suitable for a daily withdrawal and depositors, especially for the business person. It is more suitable. And the third type of account is recurring account. This is an account which is opened from the savings point of view, in which it is compulsory to deposit a certain amount every month. The rate of interest on such amount is higher than saving accounts and lower than fixed deposit. The bank pays the whole amount along with the interest at the end of the term. Recurring deposit is opened by those who want to save a certain amount of money regularly for a certain period of time and earn a higher interest rate than saving account. In a recurring account, a fixed amount is deposited every month for a specified period, and the total amount is repaid with the interest at the end of the particular fixed period. Period of deposit is minimum 6 months and maximum 10 years. The interest rates vary for different plans based on the amount one saves and the period of time, and also on bank. No withdrawals are allowed from the recurring deposit account. However, the bank may allow to close the account before the maturity period. These accounts can be opened in a single or joint names. Banks are also providing the nomination facility to the recurring deposit account holders. In this type of account, every month, as per the term decided by the bank and the account holder, one do must deposit a given amount in the bank, and a deposit will get higher interest than the saving, and lower than the fixed deposit. The bank pays whole amount along with the interest at the end of the term. Fourth one, fixed deposit. Fixed deposit means a source of the money which can be used by the bank for the fixed term. The depositor cannot withdraw money until the maturity date of deposit. If the money is withdrawn before the term of maturity, then the rate of interest decreases. The banks gives the depositor written guarantee that it will pay the amount back along with the interest at the end of the term. As the customer cannot withdraw money before the maturity date, the rate of interest in fixed deposit is higher than the saving account and recurring account. In fixed deposit account or FD account, a particular sum of money is deposited in a bank for specific period of time. It is one time deposit and one time take away or withdraw account. The money deposited in this account cannot be withdrawn before the expiry of period. However, in case of need, the depositor can ask for closing the fixed deposit prematurely by paying a penalty. The penalty amount varies with the bank. This penalty means cutting off interest rate. A high interest rate is paid on fixed deposit. The rate of interest paid for fixed deposit vary according to amount, period, and also from bank to bank, and it will consider the age of the depositor also. A senior citizen going to deposit in fixed deposit account, the interest rate is higher than compared to others. These are the different type of accounts facility provided by the bank to various purpose. Mainly, banks accounts are classified into four different types: current account, saving account, recurring account, fixed deposit account.